Hi friends, welcome to my channel again. In my previous tutorial, we had discussed about what is AJAX. So in this tutorial, we are going to talk about AJAX working. Actually, suppose that you are a user and you put some URL on address bar. If you hit enter, then you get a page according to the URL. Once you get the page, there is some button. These buttons are used for trigger an event from the client side. You can say user side. And these triggers makes the request from the client side and send this request to the server. And server process the request and responds to a web page which made a request. But in AJAX, we know about normally an AJAX call to a server and getting back response from server involve following steps. When you type the URL of a web page in browser address bar, and page is loaded in browser window. Some action trigger an event like when user clicking a button. Event fires the AJAX call and sends a request to a user using XML or JSON. The server service takes input from AJAX HTTP request and process the request. It also prepares the response data if required. Server sends the data back to the original web page that made the request. Another JavaScript function called a callback function receives the data and updates the web page according to the response. So these are the flow of AJAX application, and in my upcoming tutorial we will discuss about AJAX request and response object. Thank you guys.